You got Apple CarPlay. You got the Apple CarPlay here. Really well done. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now we do have a little bit of play in the wheel, and it is crooked. Car sounds amazing, shifts amazing. A little bit of crackles with the exhaust, which you're probably not going to hear that in the video. Right there, it's crackling as I let off the gas. Have some vibrations in the shifter ball or the mechanism here on some of those higher RPMs, but it's very subtle. But with that free play in the wheel, you do kind of bounce around the road a little bit. The AC is super cold. I just barely have it running, and it's chilly. You're gonna hear some creaks in this kind of area. And of course, if you let off the wheel, it definitely wants to kind of move around, so you gotta stay holding on. She likes to crackle though on those downshifts and things like that though. Brakes feel solid. Easy to get out of first gear there. Really little effort. Beautiful car though. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, that's in great condition. Here on the fender, the paint looks beautiful. A lot of depth to it. If you look right here on that edge, you're going to see those flaws. Lower side looks good. If you look in the jam, you're going to see a couple flaws there. Otherwise in great condition. A little bit of texture right here. It's hard to see with that white. Roof's looking good. So far that looks nice. Edge feels good. I do see some overspray right here. A little bit in the jam. That looks nice. That wheel's in great condition. These stripes are painted on. Scanning through that hood. Now with this gloss black, if you get really close, you're going to see a little swirl here and there. Looks like some flaws there. Little dimple on the edge. For the most part though, just kind of looking through this edge, very minimal flaws. I don't see a bunch of rock chips or anything like that. A little bit of rash on that splitter. You're gonna have the flaws on that chrome. It's not super bright anymore. There's some sort of line there. I don't know if that's like overspray. Couple chips, but otherwise that front end looks really, really nice. Making our way down that fender. Looks good. We'll get on the upper side here. Nice. Cowl area is clean. That wheel looks amazing. You're gonna see some flaws in the jam, almost like a hard paint lines. Mirror looks good. Here on the A pillar on the very top, you have a light crack there, or a small crack. And all of this is subtle, these little flaws. And of course, I'm inches away, really trying to get up close in here. You're gonna see that in there. Trying to get real close. But about a foot away, I mean, this thing looks absolutely perfect. Got a rock chip right here, or a little chip, and it's been touched up. This is all in great condition. Like I said, you're gonna have your little swirls in that gloss black, which means it's probably in the white as well, but you're not gonna see that with that color. Beautiful car though. Backup camera. Let's try to get underneath here. Look at all the detail. Get way under there if you can see that. Really nice, absolutely gorgeous car. Checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. That panel looks good. Scanning the jam, that looks nice. It's on there nice and secure. Looking in the jam here. That trim is clean. Got a chip there, a couple flaws. Looking at the seats, they look amazing. A couple small stains. The bolsters are in great condition. Leather's nice and soft. Checking out that steering wheel. Gloss black, looks really good. Got a little scratch right there, or an indentation actually. That looks nice. That's clean. Custom console. Beautiful job. Looking at this panel, that looks really good. I see this is kind of popping out just a little bit. That trim looks nice. You can see some of that, it's kind of ripped. That jam looks good. Looking in the jam there, got custom speakers. Carpet looks nice. I mean, these seats look absolutely perfect. Beautiful, love the material here on it. Looking back here, it's in great condition. Looking at the headliner, that looks nice. And then check out this custom console. It's pretty solid too. Got the screen right there. Underside of the dash is in great condition. All of that looks nice. I mean, really well done in here. Checking out the engine bay. I'm just going to scan through this. We also have a bunch of photos online. Beautiful, beautiful car though. Underside of the hood looks really nice. Here in the trunk, the carpet looks nice. Got an Optima red top battery. I do not see a date code on that though. Here on the underside, looks really nice. Of course, you get up close here, you're gonna see the flaws, a little texture in that paint. The rest of that looks good though. I'm not seeing any gashes or anything like that. And then it also has a really cool original plate, I assume, and then some documentation that will come with the car. And then you can see the stereo here. And then you just have this massive binder here with all this information. And then even this little binder here with a ton of pricing and information on the car. Lots of stuff here. So we're going to try to take photos, document all of that. And then this is included as well.